how to create a Grab account. So if you want to create a Grab account, then first you just need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, open up your Play Store at first. Once you've opened, go for the search and search for Grab. Once you've searched here, you will have your application, right? So you just need to install the application at first. So once you've installed the application, you can simply go for open and then you can create your account. So the first and the crucial step is to install the application. So just wait for 1 or 2 minutes to install the application. And once you've installed the application, you just need to open the application. Tap on the Grab and open the Grab application. Once you've opened, now here on the bottom, you will have login and sign up. So if you want to create a Grab account, then go for sign up, which is here on the bottom left. Tap on sign up and you can choose an account to continue to Grab. So for example, I'll be choosing an account. Tap on continue, which is on the bottom. And now you need to enter the mobile number. Tap on next and you will receive a 6-digit code to the number which you have just entered. So enter the code and you need to enter a name. And once you enter the name, tap on next. And if you want to allow the location, tap on while using the application and choose the country where you would like to go. So for example, I'll be choosing Malaysia and then select the city, and that's it. That's how you can create a Grab account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.